May panibagong balasahan sa gabinete ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kasunod ng utos niyang magsumite sila ng resignation letter. Ligtas sa balasahan ang pinuno ng ilang malalaking ahensya tulad ng DepEd at DSWD. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal Julie Baiza.
Well, if you are asking for blood, there will still be blood. But you know, we are still undertaking continuing performance evaluations even of those undersecretaries.
Iyan ang pahayag ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin matapos i-anunsyo ang mga opisyal na mananatili o natanggal sa pwesto. Hindi tinanggap ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang courtesy resignation ni DA Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel, DAR Secretary Conrado Estrella, DepEd Secretary Sunny Angara, DOLE Secretary Bienvenido Laguesma, DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian, DOH Secretary Herbosa, DOT Secretary Cristina Frasco, DICT Secretary Henry Aguda, DOTR Secretary Vince Dizon, DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan, Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Juan Ponce Enrile, MMDA Chairman Romando Artes, BIR Commissioner Romeo Lumagi, at BOC Commissioner Bienvenido Rubio. Sabi ni Bersamin, ito raw ang inaasahan ng Pangulo sa mga opisyal na nanatili sa pwesto.
All of them who have been retained, including myself, are expected to give fresh attention to the mandates and to give more performance, show more performance in our respective areas.
Mismong si PBBM daw ang magbibigay ng marching order para sa kanila. Asahan din daw na magpapatuloy ang performance evaluation sa gabinete.
You know, this is not a purge. You must understand that. That's why we went to the courtesy resignation as the means for implementing this reorganization.
Bukod dito, inanunsyo naman ng palasyo ang mga opisyal na tinanggap ang courtesy resignation at na-terminate sa pwesto. Kabilang si Maynardo Sabili bilang chairperson at chief executive officer ng Presidential Commission for the Urban Poor, maging si Presidential Assistant for the Visayas Terence Calatrava, Presidential Assistant to Muslim Affairs Almarim Tila, at Presidential Advisor for Special Concerns Maynardo Espineli.
I assure you that this is a very sweeping and thorough evaluation being made by the President and the panel of his choice regarding those who will be continuing remaining in office and those who will be ultimately ousted.
Sa ngayon, wala pang desisyon ng palasyo sa courtesy resignation ng iba pang mga opisyal. Mobile Journal Julie Baiza po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.